Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a pre-owned Ford F-150 Supercrew Platinum. This Platinum is sterling gray metallic in exterior color. It has a 157-inch wheelbase. It's powered by a 3.5-liter Ecoboost V6 engine. That's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission, electronic shifting 4-wheel drive with an automatic function, and equipped with a ton of great features. Platinum is the top-of-the-line F-150. It offers a stainless steel grille, body-colored lower bumper, and chrome toe recovery hooks. We have HID projection headlamps, a pair of halogen fog lamps, 20-inch Platinum exclusive alloy wheels wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler tires, power deployable running boards, toe-style mirrors with power fold and power extension, chrome door handles, tinted rear windows, and 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers throughout its spacious cabin. It has a power sunroof overhead, factory Ford remote start, Ford secure code entry system, and lots of great features throughout. At the rear we have a chrome tailgate handle and a stainless steel chrome Platinum placard across the tailgate. We have rear park sensors and a trailer towing connection with 7 and 4-pin electrical hookups. The rear tailgate features a tailgate step. We have a spray and rhino box liner, 4 stationary cargo tie-downs, and lots of cargo storage. At the driver's touch, we have power folding mirrors, power extending mirrors, with heated glass. We have power locks, power windows, door speakers from Sony, and door storage. We also have a wood grain accent. We have rubber floor mats for all weather, a stainless steel brushed aluminum dash panel, automatic headlamps, power adjustable brake pedals, and a power adjustable steering wheel. The steering wheel features cruise control, driver's airbag, media zones, and sync voice activated controls. We have ambient lighting, a flow-through center console for storage. We have a lock-in center armrest, platinum stitched unique leather interior for 5 passengers. The driver's seat has memory positioning, 10-way power, and a power passenger seat. Both front seats are heated and cooled, and the second row features heated outboard seats. Overhead, we have a manual sunshade, a power sunroof, auto-dimming rearview mirror, map lighting, a place to store your glasses, and universal garage door openers. We have an odometer reading of 124,826 kilometers. We have a productivity information center, a My Ford Touch touchscreen with backup camera, factory navigation, outside temperature display, and Bluetooth phone control, as well as optional Sirius satellite radio, AM/FM radio is standard, and Bluetooth media. We have an integrated trailer brake controller, dual climate control zones, rear window defrost, and a 12-volt power supply, and an additional glove box for storage. We have second row heated outboard seats, power windows, a door speaker, and door storage, a virtually flat storage floor, a rubber floor mat, a 110 and 12-volt power outlet, and a fold-down middle seat which becomes an armrest with cup holders, a power sliding rear window, garment hooks overhead, and a cabin interior light. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. Look forward to seeing you in our showroom, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.